Welcome back to the channel TEFCANADA by Payal. Today's topic is Pronotonic, which is a continuation of the previous video, that is pronoun personal. So let's start with Pronotonic. Pronotonics are disjunctive pronouns of English grammar. We use moi for first person singular, that means me. For plural we use nous, means us. Second person for informal we say toi for you. Vous for the formal you or many people, second person. Vous means you. Third person masculine we use lui, means him. For them for masculine plural. Third person feminine we use elle, means her, and else for them for feminine plural. Let's see where we can use pronotonic because there are certain rules to use them. Number 1. Le pronotonic is used after the preposition a, the, par, chez, avec, etc. They are replaced after the preposition and they replaces only and only human being. Pronotonics are useful for replacing the human beings only. For example, je vais chez le docteur. I'm going to the doctor's place. Chez is a preposition here. We have to replace the human being, that is doctor, and doctor is masculine here. That's why we are using lui. Je vais chez lui. Second, nous allons avec nos parents au Canada. Parents are placed after preposition. To avoid the repetition of the parents, we can replace it with pronotonic. Nous allons avec eux. EUX we are using because one boy, one girl concept is also followed here in French grammar. Whenever there is one boy or 99 girls are there and one boy is there, even at that moment we make it masculine plural. That's why I have replaced nos parents avec eux. Third example, j'achète une voiture pour ma fille, my daughter. Preposition pour is here. We have to replace, to avoid the repetition of the ma fille word, I will replace it with her. J'achète une voiture pour elle, means I have purchased a car for her. To avoid saying my daughter, I have replaced it with her. Pronotonic is also used after the expression c'est, means this is. Qui est là? C'est moi. This is me. Qui a fait le devoir? C'est elle qui a fait le devoir. This is she who has done the homework. As you can see, with the extra expression, we can use pronotonic. Pronotonic is also used in the comparison after que, means than. See how we can replace. For example, tu as plus de crayons que Caroline. You have more of pencils than Caroline. To avoid repeating Caroline again, I will simply replace it with pronotonic. See, tu as plus de crayons qu'elle. You have more of pencils than her. Second, vous êtes moins intelligent que Kanish. You are less intelligent than Anish. I'm comparing you with Anish. To avoid Anish, I will replace it pronotonic. Vous êtes moins intelligent que lui. Anish is masculine. He's a boy. That's why I'm replacing it with lui. If it's a girl, I would have replaced it with elle. Third, nous avons plus de travail que votre mari et vous. I've tried to say we have more of work than your husband and you. They both are considered as you, all, second person plural. That's why I have replaced it with vous. Nous avons plus de travail que vous. Your husband and you will be replaced with vous. If I have written here notre mari et nous, I would have replaced it with nous. Number 4, there's a condition that there are certain verbs with which we can use pronotonic if it's followed by the human being. Let's see how. The pronotonic is used with certain verbs, expressions, and pronominal verbs followed by a person like penser à, songer à is also thinking verb, faire attention à, être à, tenir à, plus une personne. Let's see how we can use pronotonic with these verbs also. Example, tu penses beaucoup à ta sœur. You think a lot about your sister. Oui, je pense à elle. I have replaced your sister with her. Yes, I think about her a lot. Elle doit faire attention à son professeur. She should pay attention to her professor. Professor is masculine. Yes, elle doit faire attention à lui. As you can see, with these verbs, pronotonic can also be replaced if it's followed by the human being preposition plus human being. The last 5th point says how we can replace person with the pronotonic. Let's see how we can replace. The pronotonic is used with certain verbs and adjectives followed by a person like avoir besoin de, être content de, être fier de, to be proud of, plus a person. For example, tu as besoin de tes amis. You have a need of your friends. Besoin de means to have a need of. If human being is there, we can replace it with pronotonic. Oui, j'ai besoin de elle. I have made else here because they are feminine plural friends. Yes, I have a need of them. Second, elle est fière de ses parents. She's proud of her parents. One boy, one girl concept is here. That's why we are placing with a. Oui, elle est fière de eux. Yes, she is proud of them. These are the practice questions. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will surely get back to you and revert you with my answers. Do the practice and keep on following my videos because I will be making the series of these videos for the pronoun personal to make you very much clear. Stay tuned. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.